Hi, Clyde Chlorophyll here, with a special offer just for you. Introducing the Chloroplast, the best organelle that you'll find in a cell. Why is it so great? Well, for starters, it makes fuel. That's right, the Chloroplast contains that nasty carbon dioxide gas that all you creatures loathe, mix it with a bit of water, and produce fuel for you. Just take a look at this demonstration.
The thylakoid membrane contains arrays of chlorophyll molecules called photosystems. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy, which excites electrons to a higher energy level. Electrons from photosystem 1 are transferred and added to NADP plus and hydrogen ions to make NADPH. The energized electrons from photosystem 2 are used to pump hydrogen ions from the stroma into the thylakoid compartment. These electrons then replenish the lost electrons of photosystem 1. Photosystem 2 replenishes its lost electrons by the splitting of water, releasing oxygen and hydrogen ions. The buildup of hydrogen ions creates a concentration gradient to power the enzyme ADP synthase. As the ions diffuse down the gradient, the ADP synthase uses the energy of the moving ions to make ADP. The ADP and NADPH are then used in the next step, the dark reaction, also called the Calvin cycle. The starting molecule for the Calvin cycle is a 5-carbon compound called RuBP. During the first step of the cycle, a carbon dioxide molecule absorbed from the air is added to each of the 3 RuBP molecules. The 3 RuBPs become molecules with 6 carbons. These are unstable and split into 6 molecules with 3 carbons each, called PGA. Six molecules of ATP are sent to energize each PGA. Then, 6 NADPH are sent to energize the PGA further, making PGAL. One PGAL leaves the cycle to become the building block for sugars. The 5 leftover are rearranged into 3 RuBP compounds with 5 carbons each, and the cycle repeats. The PGAL that left the chloroplast is combined within the cytoplasm with another PGAL to form glucose or other sugars.
See, not only do chloroplasts provide the fuel you need for energy, they give you the oxygen to burn that fuel too. You don't want a lazy organelle like a nucleus. All it does is just sit there and hold DNA. Nor do you want a mitochondria, an organelle that does nothing but guzzle glucose and give ATP. It's like an SUV. If it weren't for chloroplasts, mitochondria would be pointless. Let's hear what our satisfied customers are saying about the marvelous chloroplast.
Chloroplast is a fantastic organelle. It isn't just marvelous. Everything it does is great. It takes the mere presence of sunlight and uses it to take glucose and water and convert it into fuel.
The chloroplasts were helping out my tomato plants beautifully, until I found out that chloroplasts were vulnerable to the tomato bushy stump virus. The thylakoids in the chloroplasts were completely altered by the virus. My tomatoes were all destroyed. Chloroplast users, beware. This is a major vulnerability.
And now for something completely different.
Chloroplasts are part of a class of plant-exclusive organelles known as plastids. These function as manufacture and storage sites of various compounds, such as pigments, carbohydrates, fats, or proteins. All plastids develop from coplastids, also known as neoplasts.
Plastids are thought to have originated from symbiotic cyanobacteria.
By the way, what's a pirate's favorite amino acid? Answer? You don't know? Okay, then I'll tell you. Arginine! Here's another one. Biology is the only science in which multiplication means the same as division.
And that's all, folks.